In this video, we are going to look at how to restore items within your Canvas course. This is useful if you happen to accidentally delete something and you would like to add it back into your Canvas shell. Now for this example, you can see I am inside a course. I'm going to go ahead and click on my assignment tab. Here I have a paper entitled paper number 2, and let's just say I went ahead and I deleted it by accident. Now if I would like to retrieve that item, what I can do is I can go back and click on my home button within my course. And if I go to the top of my web browser to the URL for the course, I can click, and at the end of that URL, I can type /undelete and hit enter. This will take you to a page where you can see everything that you've deleted within this course, and you can restore items from here. So for this example, here's the paper number 2 that we just deleted. If I would like to add this back into my course, I can click Restore, select OK, and if I go back into my assignments, you will see that paper number 2 has now reappeared back inside the course. Now this is useful because you can restore anything from files to things like assignments or even discussion boards.